Hello, this is Rubil Alam. I am from Bangladesh. My subject is computer science and technology.
Hello, my name is Prema Arbi Akhtar. I am from Bangladesh and my major is computer science and technology.
I am Osama. I am from Yemen. My major computer science.
I'm Muhammad. I'm from Yemen. My major is computer science.
Oh.
Hello, myself Alvi. I'm from Bangladesh. My major is computer science and engineering.
My name is Mona Jones. I'm from Liberia and I'm studying computer science.
Hello, I'm Chemian Nush Louis from Liberia, West Africa, and my major is computer science.
Hello, I'm Milpat.
Hello, I'm Aliyah Chisem. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, and my major is computer science.
Yeah.
I'm from Cameroon. My major is computer science.
Hello, my name is Azel Sabi from Liberia, West Africa. I'm a computer science major.
Hello, my name is Brendan Tanaga Meki. I'm from Zimbabwe and I'm doing computer science.
Hello, my name is Authori and I'm from Bangladesh. My major is computer science and technology.
Hello.
We are students of Unan University of Technology.